I'm scared.
Me too.
Oh wait, don't say that. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, y'all, but I promise to be consistent in 2022. But if you are watching this video right now, you are tuned in to my 12 days of beauty, in which I'll be posting on my YouTube channel, my Instagram, my TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest, all at I am Camille Smith, about different beauty topics. So again, if you're new, please take time to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss that series. And if you came back, thank you. Again, I promise I will be consistent. I have my really good friend here, Benita, or simply Sose, that is going to be installing a wig on me for the first time.
Period.
So stay tuned and we're gonna see how it goes.
Hey guys, Benita here, also known as Simply Sosa. So this is the wig I'm gonna be installing for Camille, my girl. It's an 18-inch body wave wig. It's 13 by 6 lace frontal, I believe. It came pre-plucked, as you can see. So yeah, I bleached the lace already. We just have to cut it, glue it down. It's just gonna look snatched, okay? Yeah, so stay tuned, enjoy the video. Also follow me on Instagram, Simply Sosa. It will be in the description box, and let's get straight into it.
All right, so first you have to cornrow my hair, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I really have never. When was the first time that you wore a wig? Like, how did you learn how to do wigs?
Okay, so the first time I wore a wig was my graduation
Okay.
in high school in Nigeria.
Okay.
Someone wore it for me.
Right.
And then the first time I wore a wig myself,
Right.
I watched so many YouTube videos. And I think that was like last 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah. Usually I'll go get my hair done, and it was so expensive for like installing a wig. It's like $150 up. Some people take
God.
like 200.
Oh my God. Okay.
It's crazy.
So I appreciate you doing this for me for free.
Yeah, girl, I got you.
Yeah, no.
Anytime. It's too expensive, so I had to learn.
Right.
Now I want to learn how to do nails because it's also expensive to do nails, girl.
Very true.
Oh my gosh.
I love them though. I can't not get
I
them.
know. You always have your nails done.
I know.
We love it.
But no, this would be cool. I feel like I never, ever, I like couldn't really do too much to my hair to begin with. Like my parents just really didn't like when I did stuff to my hair.
Okay.
Or manipulated my hair at all.
Up until now?
I mean, I don't think they necessarily like it like now, but like I think they also recognize like I'm an adult and I can make my own decisions.
Yes.
I did my first protective style over quarantine.
Yeah.
And then I taught myself how to do it. Now again, like my oldest sister actually knows how to braid. So when I was a kid, I used to get braids.
Yeah.
And she would like cornrow my hair, which is why I'm literally not tender-headed, because she would
Oh,
just
you're
be,
not?
No,
Nice.
she would be pulling on my hair. Oh my God. Now maybe my scalp is like numb.
I am tender-headed, but I pull on my scalp.
Right.
Then I cry after. Not cry, but it hurts
Right.
after. Yeah. I learned how to do braids as well through YouTube. Makeup through everything through YouTube.
You literally can learn so much on YouTube. It's kind of crazy.
Been watching YouTube, like, I'm like, I want to be a YouTuber one day.
Right.
Yeah, Camille's curls be popping. How do you maintain your curls, like, during work and all that?
I always make sure that I wear a bonnet to sleep, because if I don't, it's game over.
So you just wear just a bonnet, or do you put it like a pineapple?
I normally do put it in a pineapple.
Yeah.
But it depends. Like I have to wear like a scrunchie. It has to be a scrunchie for my pineapple. Put my hair in a pineapple, then I'll put on my bonnet, and I'll go to sleep like that.
Right.
But if I don't wear my bonnet to bed, it's basically game over, and I'll just do like a slick back pony or like some other hairstyle.
Yeah.
But yeah, but also I'm not afraid to rewash my hair, because like my hair takes a while to dry, but it doesn't take long enough that it like doesn't make sense to wash it.
Right.
If that makes sense. So
Yeah.
I'll wash my hair in the middle of the week and be like, my wash and go did not last me. Gotta hop in the shower, gotta co-wash, gotta do something.
I know. So like, do you do wash and goes, or you do twists and you take
Girl,
it out or braid out.
I literally have never done a twist out or a braid out.
You need to try
I'm the
it one
worst
day.
natural hair influencer because I literally only do wash and go.
Go.
But I'm going to try.
You need to try. Like, would love to see that content
I'm going to try and do one
on your Instagram
Right.
soon.
because somebody asked me that recently. I was like, girl, I've never done a twist out. I'm sorry, I can't provide any advice.
Yeah.
Wash and goes, I got you though. Definitely, I have you.
But to be honest, twist out is gonna take you a while. No, I know.
Because you have to
some
let
peop-
them dry, right? They have to be completely dry.
That's why you do it the night before and you let it dry overnight.
But then wouldn't your pillow get wet? Or am I just being sensitive?
Your pillow.
Yeah.
Your hair is low porosity, right?
It is.
So doesn't it dry fast?
Well, yeah. It takes a really long time for
To
it to get
dry?
wet. For it to get wet.
Wet, exactly.
For it to get dry, it doesn't take like too long.
Exactly, same here. So when as I'm doing the braid out, my hair is already drying.
Right.
So
So do you like re-wet your hair while you're doing it?
yeah, just so the curls are more defined.
Right.
And because my hair shrinks a lot, I usually is to get like a fuller, longer look. It's better to, do a braid out first. To either you straighten your hair or blow out your hair,
Right.
so that it looks longer first, and then you do the braid out or whatever. But I don't do that most of the time because I'm lazy. So I usually just do it wet. Cornrows are also a good way to grow your hair. To be honest. Yeah. It's a good.
Do you want to tell the story of how we met?
Yes.
I don't know. I feel like we grew up and our parents were like, stranger danger, don't talk to strangers.
I know.
And look at me talking to strangers on the internet and then driving to go see them. I'm like, you want to meet in person? Sure.
I know. And then Mia took the bus.
Right. You took the bus up to see me.
Yeah.
That was
real.
That was
a real one, man.
Oh my gosh! And you were
How
like,
do I remember everything?
Girl, I'll be forgetting stuff.
Oh, I always
stuff.
remember stuff.
No, that's a positive. My memory is not very great.
In school, maybe not, but freaking
Where it counts. It's
memorable
fine.
stuff that means a lot to me.
Yeah, and then we did accountability partners. Because
Yeah.
I still, but 2022.
I didn't even think you were gonna DM me and be like, "Do you want to be accountable?" I thought you were just putting a poll.
That's something. Okay.
That's what I love about Camille, guys.
For content creation, okay? My thing is, there's no point in like putting up like polls on your story or like question boxes and like not following up with people. Like people don't realize on Wednesdays I do self-care Wednesdays. So every Wednesday I talk about what I'm gonna do for myself and what I'm gonna try to do just to ensure that like I feel celebrated and also like I feel rested. So I always will post like that list on my story. And then recently, like the past few weeks, I've been doing like a midweek check-in. So like the sliding feature on my stories, I'll like have like different emojis that people can slide to like see how they're doing. And when people literally put anything less than like average, I will DM them. And everyone's like, oh my God, like I didn't think you were gonna respond. I'm like, you literally took the time to participate in my story. Like, tell me about your day. What's going on? Like, who do we have to beat up? Like, let's talk. Do we need to cry? Like, what's happening? But I don't know. I think that's really important. So when you put yes to that poll, I was DMing like 25 people. I'm like, all right, like, what do you want to be accountable for? Let's figure out. I literally probably still have a note on my phone. I'm like, all right, this person want to be accountable for going to the gym. This person wanted to be accountable for like cooking more, meals for themselves instead of eating out, which I low-key needed to be stuff. Yeah. Discipline is hard.
Yo, I was surprised she actually DM'd me. I'm like, people don't DM me. Yeah. They just put it for engagement. No. Because that's what I feel like, when people click on that stuff, it gives your stories engagement. Right. So I thought that was what, the vibes. No. But she actually DM'd me. I'm like, oh. Yeah, and then you want to be accountable.
And we literally talked every single day for a month. Yeah. I think that was in March.
We did gym check-ins. Yeah.
I think that was March or April. I think that was honestly when I was legitimately the most consistent.
Same.
We need to start doing that again.
March, Camille. That means we're gonna be friends for almost a year soon.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know it was that long.
Yeah. People be clearing people on TikTok. Let's see my spec on Monday.
Oh, your TikTok is filled with so many.
What?
No. Period. Guys, the camera is not that fantastic, but
Don't look
remove. Yes.
Oh. You mean the clips in there?
Yeah.
I understand. Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Me too.
Oh wait, don't say that.
Oh, I'm not gonna buy your face. Honestly, the hard part is cutting the lace. That's why I loved this wig. Her Intelligence, they cut the lace for you.
Okay.
I hate cutting lace. Cool. Time to glue it down.
Now with glue, like,
Okay, so there are two types of glue you can use. There are actually more than two. There are three. So we have Got to Be. This is a spray, free sprayed glue. This is easier to come up and it does come off and then it doesn't destroy your edges. This one is, yeah, this is the one we're using. This one is the sister to this one. I don't like this one because it leaves a white cast, but this also is easy to come off. But this one lasts longer than this one. So we're using this one. And there's the Bond glue. Those ones are professional glues and they need alcohol to come off and they destroy your edges. So no. So
I
yeah.
close my eyes. I'm scared.
No. Okay, now we're gonna work from side to side. So I'm gonna put it above her edges. Yeah, you can see her edges are forward, so it doesn't destroy her edges.
Thank you.
Here. And then once you have that, you put this on warm, you're dry and warm, and then you dry it for a bit until it gets like sticky, and then you place it on there. I usually use my comb to press it down, and then I go in with the dryer. The way I'm fighting with it. I'm gonna add some more.
So funny because I'm literally not used to blow dryers on my
On your hair?
I'm like, this is hot.
Sorry, girl. I need some warm. It's so funny.
Right.
Yeah, you need a dryer for this. And we're gonna put foundation. I said foundation. Powder on the lace. So it doesn't look, you know, crazy. And then we're gonna use this mousse just to, you know, make everything look sleek.
I'll see you do it if in case I ever decide to indulge.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do a strong middle part.
And now take out the stupid clips. What the hell?
Maybe you won't. A strong middle part.
Point blank, period.
You know, she's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie to you. I say that she's not because she is.
You're not gonna cry.
Like, I think I would look really cute with straight hair.
Honestly.
Like, most of the time. But, again, it's just a lot of effort.
That's not how I get.
I was gonna say, damn, that that worked out quick. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. This is my favorite filter. Yeah.
I know, I love that filter.
Yup.
Don't worry, I won't burn you. Just really goes to the side.
I feel like, wow, it did warm up kind of fast though.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all can see how I'm wincing. I'm scared of hot combs.
Me too. I hate
Because
hot
everybody
combs.
had one. My goodness, let me put my ear down because
Right.
people would just burn my ears and be like, toughen up. I'm like, what?
Huh? Sure, it's not over there.
I feel like this is actually as long as my hair is.
Really?
Because my
When
hair
it's
is down my back.
straightened?
Yeah, my hair is down my back.
Woo chow. Sorry, I would have helped you straighten it.
Y'all, so this is the final look. I want to say thank you so much to Benita for doing this and of course dealing with me throughout the process. But I think she's really cute. So again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new, again, please subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss the 12 Days of Beauty and any other content that I put out on my YouTube channel. And then come back tomorrow for day 2 of 12 Days of Beauty.
Period.
Bye.
Bye.